Okay, solve naman tayo ng implicit differentiation. Find the second derivative with respect to x of 4x squared plus 9y squared equals 36. So of course, to get the second derivative, dadaan at dadaan tayo sa first derivative. So let us solve for the first derivative. 2 times 4, 8x. Subtract tayo ng 1 exponent, kaya x raised to 1 na lang. Plus, the same din dito, 18y raised to 1. And then, since may y dito, kailangan pa natin mag-multiply ng y prime, right? So that is dy dx. And the right side is equal to the derivative of a constant is equal to 0. So let us isolate the term with y prime. So lipat natin sa 8x. And then divide both sides by 18y. So y prime, the first derivative is, they are both divisible by 2, right? So negative 4x over 9y. So this is the first derivative. So next naman guys, kukunin natin yung derivative ng first derivative. And ang makukuha natin dyan, yung second derivative. So pwede nating may apply dito yung quotient rule, right? So yung quotient rule, denominator, and then derivative ng numerator. Ang derivative ng numerator natin ay negative 4. Subtract tayo, then copy the numerator. So, negative, negative. So, add na tayo dito ng 4x. And then get the derivative of the denominator. That is 9y prime, correct? And then, all over the square of the denominator, which is 81 8 square. 81y square, I mean. So, let us simplify this. We have negative 36y plus 36xy prime all over 81y squared. Okay? So now, makikita naman natin na andito yung y prime. So kailangan nating mag-substitute. So y prime is equal to negative 36y plus 36x times what is the first derivative? Negative 4x over 9y. So this is the first derivative, the y prime. And then all over 81y squared. So let us simplify. So dito naman tayo sa taas. So ang y double prime natin ay equal to negative 36y plus what? So pwede na natin yung masimplify, no? So kopyahin muna natin para hindi magkalituhan. X times negative 4x over 9y all over 81y squared. Now, negative 36x plus, okay, minus na to kasi negative, negative. Pwede natin itong masimplify, di ba? They are both divisible by 9. So, minus 16x squared, right? And then, divided by y here. Correct? All over 81y squared. So, simplify the numerator. So, merong y yan yung numerator natin dyan. So, negative, what? 36. Oh, this is y, sorry. I made a mistake. Y yan. X ang naisulat natin. So, y times negative 36y is negative 36y squared. And then minus, just copy, negative 16x squared. And then all over 81y squared. So next, ano nang mangyayari dyan? So yung denominator dito, and then yung main denominator, pwede nating i-multiply. Diba? Copy the numerator, negative 36y squared. Negative 36y squared minus 16x squared all over 81y cubed. And then eventually, we can factor out the numerator. Negative what? Negative 4, right? So, this is 9y squared plus, right? Kasi negative 16, and so plus 4x squared all over 81y cubed. Now, look at this terms or expression, 9y squared plus 4x squared. Diba? Yan yung main problem natin, and that is equal to 36. So, pwede na natin itong i-replace or palitan ng 36. Negative 4 times 36 over 81y cubed. And that would be what? So they are both divisible by 9. So this is 4, negative 16 over y. Is that correct? So this is 4, this is 9, correct? They are both divisible by 9. 4 ba yung nasabi ko? 36 divided by 9 is 4. So negative 16, 81 divided by 9 is 9. Y cubed. Okay, this is the final answer. Thank you so much. I hope you will subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye-bye. I'll see you next time.